Hello, and welcome back to Kodomo Kids. My name is Courtney, and this month, the whole month of November, we're exploring South Africa. Come along with us. This week, we're going to be learning a dance from South Africa known as Jerusalema. And so this was a dance that was actually made into a TikTok challenge not too long ago. So we're going to adapt it for our own use today. All right, let's begin. So first we start with a heel dig. So we're going to take our first foot and stick it forward 1, 2, 3, 4. So our toes are off the ground and just our heel is tapping the ground 4 times. That's called a dig. Let's try it. Ready? 5, 6, please begin. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. Now from here, we're going to hop onto that foot and change legs so that we dig with the other heel. Dig, 2, 3, 4. Good job. Should we try both sides together from the top? All right. 5, 6, please begin. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. Now that we have that second foot up in the air, we're going to alternate our feet or switch every time. It looks like this, okay? I'm going to switch 2, 3, 4. Can you try that? All right, so this is our second foot up in the air. Let's try hopping and switching our feet. Ready, go. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4. How'd you do? Great, let's try it from the top. All right, so 4 on the first leg, 4 on the second leg, and then 4 alternating. 5, 6, please begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, alternate. 2, 3, 4. Great job. Now from there, all we have to do is clap 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's the whole pattern of our dance. So from there, we start over from the beginning with our heel digs. Ready? 5, 6, please begin. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alternate. 2, 3, 4, and clap. 2, start again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alternate. 2, 3, 4, and clap. 2, one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and alternate. 3, 4, and clap. 2, 3, 4. Great job, everyone. Thanks so much for tuning in this week. Join us again next week as we explore more in South Africa. Bye, everyone. Tot ziens.